Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I just wanted to make a short video. I wanted to share a story of a friend who a few months ago he set up his Shopify store, and just recently, a few weeks ago, he actually got sent an email saying that he was going to be sued for a few $1,000s because he was infringing on copyright from a picture that he placed on his website of some other company. And so he took down the website immediately. He took down the picture immediately, and nothing's happened as of yet. But I just wanted to share with you guys. Most people know about the copyright infringement. That's when someone has taken a picture, they've done some kind of illustration, and they're not licensing that out. So you're infringing on their copyright. So most people know you can't just take, for example, a trademark of McDonald's or some other big brand and put it onto a shirt and sell it. That's infringing on their copyright or their trademark. So something that most people don't know is that also if somebody makes a picture, or they take a picture and they don't license it out to you, then you can't actually use that picture on your website. So my friend actually got in trouble for using the banner section of his Shopify website. So just the picture at the bottom of his website, that was a picture that he was infringing on their copyright. So the issue with this comes from all these reverse image searches from the large picture companies. There's people that their jobs is just to literally reverse image search. So just like you can search for an image on Google, people search for images that they've posted or that are theirs and they haven't licensed out, just to be able to sue someone to be able to make money. The way you can avoid having this issue of getting sued is make sure that you can get a picture from, for example, Adobe Stock. If you have the Adobe suite, then you can just use Adobe Stock, which has thousands and thousands of high quality pictures. Another way is you can go to a website called placeit.net. I'll include the link in the description below. But on placeit.net, you can take a picture from something. If you have, for example, a print-on-demand website where you want to put a certain picture onto clothing, then you can take that picture onto this website and it'll actually put that picture onto an article of clothing, onto a model, onto whatever you want, and then you'll have to pay for it. It's like $8, or you can subscribe to the website, but then they'll send you that picture and then that picture is yours. So then you can put that picture onto your website and you won't have to worry about copyright infringement on your website. So another simple way you guys can actually just fix that is just Google free photo stock pictures. Just Google it. It's pretty simple. Just find free stock pictures so you can use on your website, so you don't have to worry about getting sued. That's just a simple video I wanted to share with you guys just to avoid future headaches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe. Thanks so much.